It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today I've got a video for you which is kind of a compilation of clips that I have collected this season of riding off-road, doing the TED Belgium and also part of TED Netherlands, and then some other clips in between of us doing off-road. The two bikes that we ride are the Royal Enfield Himalayan and the Honda CB500X. Both of the bikes are stock, fully stock, so stock wheels, stock suspension, everything. If I want to compare the two bikes, I would say the Royal Enfield is a little bit more comfortable off-road, like the standing position is better and stuff like that, so they both did a very good job in my opinion. So yeah, enjoy this video. Before the video starts, I also want to thank all the people that commented on the previous video, so your comments are right here. At the end of this video there's another movie quote. If you guessed it right, your comment will be in the next video.
Waard genoeg hoor, ik ga er tegen die plutsen. Ja, dat valt nog mee, dat is geen diep. Dat komt. Oh, man. Oh, man. Jeez. Ja, dat is niks om te doen. Ik kan gewoon weg naar voren. Ja, weg naar voren.
and I feel like the track just keeps getting harder and harder. Like this clip that I went off the side of the road. It's not really a road, but I went into the farmer's field, in the fields, and then there was this other part where my dad said hard right, and I looked to the right, but it was this steep hill, I think like 50-degree hill, and I thought no, but it wasn't right. You first had to go left and then to the right, but yeah, it's getting more and more difficult the more and more hills that there are.
Ja, je moet ze trappen zo. Het is zo goed. Rechtlicht, ja. Ja, oké. Nee, goed.
Hi cow, can you help me? Alright, what now? I'm in a groove. I'm in a bit of a situation. Fortunately, the bike is not that heavy, so you can pick it up, but I'm stuck. I called my dad to come and get me because he went forward while I took this little road because I wanted to risk it and he didn't. So now I'm stuck.
Oh, Rieke. Rieke. Ja, ik zit nou voorstellen dan terug te draaien.
We have turned the bike 90 degrees, so now I can go back. Cows like my dad.
Eén, twee. Ik weet nog met een deze.
3, 2, 1. Ja.
Dat moet je eerst niet proberen. Zo 50 kilometer.
Yeah, I know it's a pretty bike, but get off it please. Thank you.